2, 3.
Hello YouTube subscribers, welcome to my YouTube channel at 2UB40. Today we're going to be installing this car auxiliary adapter for my 2008 Toyota Matrix. So this basically is going to go behind the stereo, and this is the auxiliary port or cable that's going to get hooked up to this, to auxiliary jack on one of your phones or any device that you want to hear music to. So stay tuned. So we're going to begin by removing this clip. We're going to be using this tool, plastic tool remover. Pretty easy. Just put it inside, pull out, go around. That's pretty much it. And over here on the side, you gotta disconnect two plugs, two harnesses. There you go. So remove these two and put this. I don't recommend, disconnecting these two. Just go ahead and put this to the side, like so. And here's the stereo, and it's held on by four 10mm screws, bolts. You're gonna be using an extension bar, and in my case a mini 3/8 inch ratchet. We can go ahead and loosen the bolts off. Just go ahead and loosen them a bit, so that way you don't drop the bolts. But in case you drop the bolts, I recommend getting yourself a magnet pickup tool. You can go ahead and remove it by hand. There's one. Let's get this one out, the one at the bottom. Since it's already loose, I can go ahead and detach the ratchet and loosen it up by hand. And there it is. And just in case you can grab it with your hands, in case your hands are too big, too fat, go ahead and grab the pickup tool, and out it comes. Let's go ahead and remove these two. Three. And the fourth one, it's down there. You guys see that? That one over there. So that one is kind of hard to get it out, so I recommend grabbing your magnet pickup tool. Hopefully it doesn't fall, and out it comes. Easy, guys, easy. Now we can go ahead and check out the stereo, and this will be coming down often. We expose the stereo, and I happen to hook up this one right here. This one, let me try to pull it out carefully. I got this one off of eBay, but this one comes with an auxiliary cable. It also came with a USB cable, and it didn't work on this one. So we're gonna see what's the difference between these two. This one only comes with an auxiliary cable, and this one came with two, which is weird. They have the same 6-pin connection to it. So we'll see. Time to test it out. Let me just go ahead and hook up this in the back, and then I will go ahead and turn the car to the auxiliary position and test it out. Well, excuse me. So let's hook it up here in the back. Just like that. And let's test it. Alright guys, time to test this thing out, this baby out. I got my iPhone 5C or 5S, I believe, from 2011. And it's brand new. Look at that, guys. Learn how to take care of your stuff. So, auxiliary cable to the auxiliary port, auxiliary jack. Let's turn the car to the auxiliary position. Whoop. What's this? Sorry. There it is. Press this button. FM stereo. Let's press this button. And let's play some music. Let's see. And we hear sound. So that's it, guys. Alright. So now let's put everything back. And one more advice. If you guys think that this cable is not gonna be long enough, I suggest you guys buying an auxiliary port adapter extension from the 99-cent store, and an extra auxiliary cable. That way, when you put this behind it, maybe it's not gonna be long enough, so you guys can bring it up here. That way, with this, hook up this end to here, hook up this other end here, and this other end is gonna be long enough for your device. Whatever, if you're using a CD player, a cassette player, an iPod, an iPhone, and an Android phone to play your music on. So let's put everything back, guys. Alright guys, I happened to test the other one that I had, the one that comes with two ports, one an auxiliary port and one the USB cable. Well, a USB cable with a USB adapter. So it does work. It does work. So both of them work perfectly fine on the 2008 Toyota Matrix. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hook up this on my 2005 Toyota Camry. See if it works. So for this one, for this 2008 Matrix, I'm gonna leave this one on. I'm gonna leave this one hooked up. So what I'm gonna do right now, try to hide everything back there and bring these two cables from down there. Okay, stay tuned. Alright, let's try to put that in there, everything. Alright guys, since everything works, let's go ahead and put the bolts, the 4 bolts back on. Let's try to put this one here. Try to line up the hole with the little bracket right there. That's number 1. And the one that down here is gonna be kind of a mission to put back in. Alright, wish me luck, wish me luck. And did I get it? Did I get it? Yes, I did. There it is. And let's go ahead and put number 3 and number 4, and then put the face back on. and hook up those two connectors, and we'll retest it. Bolt number 4. And you can go ahead and grab your mini ratchet and just give it a last, make it snug. That's it. You don't need to tighten it that much. There you go. Put the face back on. Before you put it on, make sure you connect the two connectors in the back. Until you hear them snap. Not a snack, snap. Go ahead and put these two lips in first, and until you hear a snap. Bam, bam. And that's it. And here, see what I mean, guys? If you think this is too short, most likely you guys gonna have to hook up an extension to it. That way you have enough cord. Like this. Put this right here. Here's my phone holder, and let's test it one more time. Let's turn. Make sure you hit the disc button, and you hear music. And that's it. This is how you hook up an auxiliary adapter to an old looking type of phone, radio, I mean, that don't have an auxiliary jack. All right, make sure you hit that like button and share. All right, guys, we're gonna test the USB cable that came with the adapter, the auxiliary adapter. So we're gonna be testing this guy out. I have my USB drive with some music on, so let's test it. Put it on like so. Turn the ignition key to the on position, to the auxiliary position, and let's see. And let's hit the disc button. Let's see what happens. And it does read it. Nice, guys. All right, you guys got two options. Hook it up to your phone via cable, or you use a USB drive with music already recorded in. All right, so nice. Give it 2 thumbs up.